Right. Let's see if this works. Tequila Dave here. This is for a Shackleman challenge. It's number 1, I believe. This is a bit of a first time I'm doing this actually. I only just got these last weekend from Coxie. TCH 840s, you can probably see that. And the challenge was bows up, keyholes towards you. So there you go. Going to make this a bit more interesting. I'm going to double lock it as well. Double lock it. I should have done that beforehand, shouldn't I? Actually, I can't be bothered to double lock it. Why don't I just see if I can do it without double locking it first? Because I haven't even done that yet. Let's not jump ahead. Now, one of the things he did advise me was to always make sure famous last words, that you have a working key on a lanyard, which is a great idea. I thought about doing that's come in really handy. I thought, oh, that's a good idea. And then I saw Coxie had already done that. He's done tensioners. So what I thought I'd do is actually just try and use a lanyard. So let's give it a go anyway. This is the trickiest bit here. Just getting it. To the hole. Oh, nearly. There we go. So now, what I should need to do is that. There you go. I think that's challenge 1 complete without cheating like deadlocks. Tequila Dave out.